be like, maybe it will also get, like, I know it can do it, but at least how do you now say that this high, I expect it, like at least for it not to be taken out? How do you reach to it and say, okay, I expect this
So
for
the
it not
reason
to
why I
be.
chose this high of all places.
Yeah, yeah. Because
So
sometimes I end up looking at another high and I'm like, that's too much info. Like I'll draw low resistance liquidity up there, and yet I'm just supposed to focus at this point. If it gets broken, now I focus on the others. But yeah, why this part?
so first reason is because this was the high that took external range liquidity from here. And after it took that external range liquidity, it broke structure on the daily time frame. Took liquidity, broke structure. This is
Ah.
the area. So that is why this is a high probability area of interest that I'm
Mhm.
interested in using to sell. Now, some traders call these areas all the supply, demand, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
They are not wrong for calling it supply and demand, but for me, I don't like to plaster names on things because when you just put all those names, what if you see it in
Confusing.
another time frame? You probably won't understand that this is the supply and the demand zone. But if you
Mm.
have the understanding of the fact that this was the candle that took that external range liquidity and broke structure, significant daily structure, that is why this area is the interest, the point of interest that I'm anticipating for price to use as a key level for a potential continuation to the downside.
Yeah, and to determine this, you selected daily for your interest. Like
Yes,
we,
so
yeah.
it's usually better for you to use a higher time frame as your point of interest if you want the trade to be higher probability.
Mm,
Because if you
okay.
use a lower time frame, price can easily run that high, run the low, just do whatever. But when you're using a higher time frame, it is a higher probability to go in your favor in your direction.